Hello world, I'm William, the creator of Wolfy, the Artificial Intelligent Canine. Purpose of this video is to introduce me and my creation, Wolfy. Wolfy, you excited for this video? You excited to have your own YouTube channel? Alright, great. Can I tell everyone about you? Alright, sweet. So now that I got his okay, why don't I tell you a little bit about him? His whole body is 3D printed. The reason for that is because it allows society to realize he's a dog, but at the same time to realize he's a robot. And the other factor of him is the artificial intelligence. The reason for the artificial intelligence is so that there is very little human intervention between Wolfy and the world, unless it's with his companion, who acts like his remote. For instance, I am this Wolfy's companion. If I tell him to roll over, he rolls over. If I tell him to sit, he sits. The whole purpose of this video is to explain to you guys what's going to continue on from here on out with my YouTube channel. Once a month, first Saturday of every month, I'm going to be posting a video of Wolfy where it'll be about the milestones me and him go on to get him through his evolution to where he is at the point where society can go out and get him from any store, essentially. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please hit like. Please subscribe so you can continue on seeing more videos about me and Wolfy's adventures. And if you have any questions about Wolfy, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.